Yung declaration mo na she's my one and only girl, can you expound on that?
To expound? I guess it speaks for itself, diba? She's my one and only girl. Yun.
Si Sarah kasi sabi niya at 32 gusto niya mag-asawa, ikaw kaya yung groom na yun na hinahanap niya?
Tingnan po natin, diba? Only God knows, and we can't tell the future. But sana, if we love something, if we're passionate about something, anything's possible.
Pero sa sarili mo, nakikita mong siya na?
Sana, tingnan natin. Sana po, sana.
5 years na yun, malapit na yun, ha?
Tingnan natin.
Ready na daw siya.
Curious lang ako, na-affect ka ba ng mga accusation na parang naging girlfriend mo si Sarah, parang sabi na nilalas na siya para sumikat. Kaya ngayon ayaw nyo lang kasama sa isa.
Hindi naman, at hindi din ako affected dahil alam ko naman sasabihin nila yun. We can't please everybody, and they're going to say it. Everybody's going to say that. But you know, in my heart, I know that I'm not using her or I'm not doing anything like that. So, kaya...
Tagal na rin kayo, di ba? 2 years.
So yun, basically as much as possible we want to keep it separately, diba? And sana maging okay, mas maging okay na ganyan.
Pero excited ka na rin mapanood yung movie ni na Sarah at Piolo.
Yeah, sobrang excited ako. Sabi mo nga Piolo, I'm very excited to watch it. I think it's July or something. So, yun, exciting.
Nagulat ka ba nung nag-request daw si Sarah ng kissing scene with you?
Hindi naman ako nagulat. Ewan ko, naging masaya ako. Ewan ko, parang she's growing as a person, diba? She's growing as an artist and she wants to try different things. So, whatever she wants to do for her craft, really go, diba? She can make her own decisions. So.
Pero sabi niya 32 years old daw siyang papakasal. Your reaction?
32? Yun. Hindi natin alam eh.
5 years from now.
Oo, 5 years old.
Hindi ko po alam. I mean, I'm praying for the best, I'm wishing for the best, but the first people that will know if ever I'm going to get married is my family, diba? So, I'm still 25, and syempre, I have my own dreams. I have my own dreams of when I want to get married and all that stuff, but syempre, sa akin muna, diba? Syempre, I don't want to make udlot anything or anything, but syempre, I wish for the best, diba? Sarah and I are going very well, very strong right now, and I'm just praying everything will go well.
What makes you click? Kayong dalawa?
We're honest with each other. Yeah, we're honest with each other. Wala kaming bulahan sa isa't isa. We're honest.
Pero sa nakikita mo siya na talaga?
Sana po, sana talaga. Alam mo, syempre, I'm in a relationship not just to have fun or not just to have a girlfriend. I'm in a relationship to find my forever, kumbaga, diba? So,
bakit sa tingin mo na-adjust? Kasi before, sabi ni Sarah, at 30 gusto niyang magkasama. Yung 32 na.
Ewan ko sa kanya. Ewan ko, baka yun din sa kanya yun. Ewan ko.